Hello friends, today I am Camille from TEWREX Machinery. Today we are in LONKING factory. As you can see, there are many machines here. What I want to use today is CDM6225. It's in the category of lithium excavator. It is operating weight 21.8 tons and bucket capacity 1.5 cbm. Its max dipping height is 9.5 meters and its max dipping depth is 6.6 meters. Equipped with original Cummins engine, is very popular in China market and foreign market, widely used in mining, road construction, hydropower project, etc. And it also satisfies the Tier 2 emission standard. Excavators will also provide many other kinds of machines like forklifts, dump truck, wheel loader. If you have any other needs, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. See you next time.